Great subtitles don't just convey your message, they grab your viewer's attention. With Vmake, your subtitles can pop like this, slide in like this, or animate like this. And the best part? You can do it all with just one tap. Meet Vmake. Let me show you how to add awesome subtitles in 10 seconds. Import your video into Vmake. It automatically generates subtitles that matches the audio. You can tap the Captions tab and edit them directly on the timeline, or tap on any text to make adjustments. Swipe through the menu and you'll see a variety of editing tools. There's templates, art styles, highlight effects, and now tap on art. Look at all these fonts, colors, and styles. Something for every aesthetic imaginable. Tap on animation. Want to move around the text? Vmake applies complex motion effects instantly. No editing skills required. To emphasize key info, just tap to highlight the keywords or tap on AI one-tap highlight to let AI do it for you. Tap confirm and you're done. Now you can add unique visual effects and even sounds to make the important words stand out in seconds. From raw footage to a polished video in just 3 easy steps. Download or simply go to Vmake webpage today and bring your videos to life anytime, anywhere.